Let December's light brighten a path to the men I seek. Guide my steps until I find them and kill them. Abijah Fowler. He was one of the 4 white men in Japan when I was born. One of them took my mother and made me a monster. You have murder in your eyes. He deserves to die.
The samurai. I saw its eyes. It's not human.
I want to know everything there is to know about your demon. He'll come. He'll stand right here. And he will open your throat.
Under the law, revenge is a luxury for men. Women must be practical.
I've been a captive my whole life. If I die today, I die free. I'm on the path of revenge. There's no place on it for love, friendship, or weakness. Under your mask, you're not the killer you pretend to be. You're just angry.
I said this samurai could not be stopped, but you wouldn't listen. Just a man. Let him come. He was no man.